We trying to get paid.
Making money, make it dollar.
We trying to get paid.
Making money, make it.
Save and invest, stacking up checks. Let's go.
What's going on, everyone? Sal here, back again with another video. You killed it on the NVIDIA trade, and I'm going to show you another stock that's got the same amount of incredible opportunity over the next 12, 24, 36 months to go insanely higher than it is right now. But we're going to take the opportunity, just like NVIDIA. Some of you guys went short duration and still won into earnings. Some of you guys are still holding on to that trade and making money still. With that being said, let's go ahead into this trade that, again, you're going to make some really good money on this debit spread. So let's go ahead into the trade and do it right now. So I'm going to make myself smaller here. For those of you guys who are here for the first time, please click subscribe on this video right now. But hey, what's my strategy? Well, I identify the trend, I confirm the trend, find a low risk entry point, and then we take the trade. Okay, so let's go ahead and identify the trend here. The stock we're going to talk about today is Google. And how do I identify the trend? Well, first, my stock has to be above the 10 moving average on the monthly time frame. So we are clearly above the 10 moving average on the monthly time frame. So that tells me that the stock is headed in the right direction. Now we're going to move to the daily time frame, make sure we're above the 50 and 100 moving averages in order for us to confirm the trend. Yes, we are above the 50 and the 100 moving average. Now what we're going to do is put that all together and find a low risk entry point. So what do I mean by that? I am looking to make sure that the stock is trading in what I call the buy zone in the Keltner channel. Is it in the buy zone? Yes, it is in the buy zone. So that means that this is a trade that I want to take. So let's go ahead and find the trade that we're going to want to do in Google. Again, we're going to put this in what we call a debit spread. So we're going to sell a call and buy a call. Let's put that together right now. And let me kind of show you what I'm looking at here. All right, brief moment. So I'm looking at October 20th, 2023. And I'm thinking I'm going to sell the $100 strike against the $95 strike in Google. Well, why am I doing that? Well, because I believe that Google is going to stay well above $100 a share over the next 45 days. So I'm going to put together a position here that's going to make money even if Google goes up, down, or even sideways by a comfortable percentage. And I'm going to put that trade to you, for you together here soon. So pay attention to some of these numbers you're seeing here, particularly the current strike price, right, that we're going to be selling, its current bid and ask offer. We will really want to pay attention to this bid price as well. So let's go ahead and put this all together using my calculator. All right, we're going to do a little bit of math here. This is where I scare a lot of people, unfortunately. All right, this is where people get a lot of scared. But again, guys, my service, we're going to be able to provide this service to you where I'm going to give you trades. You pay me a low monthly fee and I will give you trades every single month. Right now, I'm feeding you this, so you should be making money on this. All right. So the stock is currently trading for $136. We want to buy the $100 strike price, right? Strike price on that call option, which is deep in the money. So we got a $36 intrinsic value built into the $100 strike price. The $100 strike price is currently going for $36.60. All right, we're going to subtract our intrinsic value from that. That leaves us 60 cents. We're going to multiply the strike price by that. Actually, we're going to divide, the strike price by the current price of the stock, which is $136. We're going to get 0.00044. We're going to multiply that by $100, and we get 0.44%. What does that mean? That means that if I buy, right, or sell the $100 strike price on Google, the stock only needs to move up 0.44% in order for me to go in the money. Is this a trade I want to do? Yes, absolutely. I want to definitely take this trade. I'm going to take this trade over and over and over and over again. And again, I'm going to buy, right? So I'm going to sell that $100 strike, and I'm going to buy that corresponding strike price right below it, the $95, in order to turn this into a debit spread, right? In order to turn this into a debit spread. And I'm going to make money if Google stays above this level. All right. This is absolutely incredible, guys. And by the way, the difference between 136 and 100 is about 24%. So that's why this makes such great sense, guys. All right. That's why this makes great sense here. I am going to make money on Google, and you are going to make money on Google as long as this stock stays well above 100, right? And even goes higher. All it has to do is go up 0.44% for us to make money on this. Again, I've got so many positions like this all across different industries. I got in XLE, I got in Nvidia, I got in Disney, where I'm on the put side of this trade going the other way. So there are so many different ways we can play this using my strategy that I'm teaching you guys here. And again, this is going to be available to you where I'm going to just send it into your email box and you just copy my trades. But right now, I'm posting this because I want to be able to have future, what's the word for it? Props, right? Might be a word I could use to come back and say, yes, my strategy works. All right. So that's the trade for you here. Let me go ahead and put this together so you can kind of see it for yourself. All right. And 1 second here, because I'm going to post it for you to see. Where's the image file? Just give me just a second, guys. Snap. So this is what it's going to look like for you. All right. Now, you're going to risk $420 to make $80 in this trade. It's October 20th, $45. You're going to buy the $100 calls. You're going to sell the $100 calls. You're going to buy the $95 calls in here. So we're going to make money as long as Google winds up being greater than $99.20 for a maximum profit of $80. Now, again, we're not going to hold this to expiration, right? Some of you guys hold it to just 50% of max gain. Some of you guys hold it for the whole duration, but again, you're not going to let it expire, right? We are going to go ahead and close this trade the day, a week before, or whatever it is. Sometimes the market goes higher and we get well deep into our gains where we can go ahead and take our gains off the table and roll into something else. But with that said, that is the trade we're looking for. So again, we're going deep in the money on Google, expecting it to continue to stay above these levels because there's some really exciting things going on with this stock among other stocks on the market. We expect it to stay well above these levels, right? The 50 and 100 moving average, as we are going to be at $100. So we're going to be all the way down here. Let me show you. Okay, we're going to be all the way down here. All right, Google's going to have to sell off pretty aggressively for us to lose money on this trade. So I hope you've learned something, folks. Again, I'm going to be providing this to you as a service, right? I am covering literally dozens of stocks in the same way where you're going to make a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. You don't have to trade every day. I'm talking about set it and forget it trading. That works. Okay? That really, really works, right? I've put more intricate detail in my package, and I will be presenting that to you guys shortly. It's putting it all together. But folks, look, let's see where this trade goes. You see what I did with NVIDIA. I'm giving you another one. All right, I'm giving you another one. Just doing a little bit of math, you can make some money on this trade. So it's your boy Sal. Until next time, tomorrow's another trading day. Trade well.